Hey, hey, what's going on, people? What's up? What are you doing? Okay, that's a girlfriend I'm talking about. People messing with her on Facebook, and she don't harass people. And I don't know why people put rude comments on her. So we not appreciate that, and we don't like that. So don't do that again. I put a video this week and stuff, and we talked about it before. So next time, some people, not all of people on Facebook. So anyway, so that's all I can say and stuff, and I can't post the video either soon. I can't post it soon, so
you're missing a hook.
It's okay. Anyway, okay, I gotta go. Take care. Stay safe. See you soon. Bye. Hi, everybody. Bye. Listen, I'm funny right now, so very funny guy. I'm always funny. I like to joke around. So anyway, I watched my hockey game, so okay. Anyway, see you soon, everybody. Bye.
What? Take a drink.
Yeah, okay. I gotta go. Take care.